crashing high, they don't lie. Sky's on fire, truth won't die. Feet in the sand, chains undone. Freedom high tide, freedom high tide. Rise up strong, let it ride. Freedom high tide, we survive. Roots dig deep, hearts align. Echoes of pain turn to sunshine. We move forward, never rewind. Oh, the drum beats low. Oh, the spirit flows. Freedom high tide, freedom high tide. Rise up strong, let it ride. Freedom high tide, we survive. Lion roars, the mountains shake. Justice comes, no time to fake. Love is the weapon, chains will break. Freedom high tide, freedom high tide. Rise up strong, let it ride. Freedom high tide, we survive. Freedom high tide, freedom high tide. Rise up strong, let it ride. Freedom high tide, we survive. Sunrise comes like a lion's roar. Shadows fade, can't hide no more. Feel the rhythm of the earth below. Roots deep where the rivers flow. Freedom in the morning light. Sing it loud through the endless night. Oh, freedom in the morning, yeah. Let the truth be your guiding star. slow. Babylon tries to break my flow, but my heart beats steady like the drum. Freedom calling and I know I must come. Freedom just flow. Freedom just flow. It's the fire in my soul, let it grow. Freedom just flow. Freedom just flow. Lift me higher, higher we go. Rivers run deep, but my spirit runs free. Chains can't bind what the eyes can't see. Roots grow strong where the truth is sown. Plant love in the earth and watch it be grown. Oh, the system tries to hold me down, but your love spins me around. Freedom just flow. Freedom just flow. It's the fire in my soul, let it grow. Freedom just flow. Freedom just flow. Lift me higher, higher we go. Lion roaring, hear the sound, tearing through the lies that bound. In the struggle we find our grace, freedom written on every face. Freedom just flow. Freedom just flow. It's the fire in my soul, let it grow. Freedom just flow. Freedom just flow. Lift me higher, higher we go. Down in the valley where the old tree grows, whispers of wisdom in the wind it blows. Roots so deep they touch the core. Earth keeps calling, can't ignore. Roots fire burning high. Oh, reach the heavens, kiss the sky. Roots fire burning high. Oh, high, feel the rhythm never die. Children dancing where the rivers meet. Drums are talking, hearts in syncopated beat. Every footstep tells a tale. Strength of the people, we prevail. Roots fire burning high. Oh, reach the heavens, kiss the sky. we're never alone. From the mountains to the sea, one love, one unity. Yeah. Roots fire burning high. I reach the heavens, kiss the sky. Roots fire burning high. Oh, I feel the rhythm never die. The sun it rises, and so do I. The wind it whispers a freedom cry. The ocean's calling, it's pulling me near. A rhythm of hope, a song I can hear. Freedom song, let it flow, let it flow. Feel the fire, watch it grow, watch it grow. Freedom soul, it's all I know, yo. dancing, ain't no one to blame. The wind whispers stories, so soft, so true. Under this sky, the stars feel brand new. Freedom through firelight. We sing, we sway, chains are breaking, night turns to day. Freedom through firelight. Hearts ignite in the glow of the ember, we claim our right. Barefoot on the dirt, the earth hums low. Drums in the distance, let the rhythm flow. Smoke spirals up like a prayer set free. We are the roots of the tallest tree. Oh, the fire tells no lie. It burns, it sees, it cries. Freedom through firelight. We sing, we sway, chains are breaking, night turns to day. Freedom through firelight. Hearts ignite in the glow of the ember, we claim our right. Ashes to ashes, dust to dreams. Life's a river, ever changing streams. But tonight we're solid, unbroken. Hold firelight's warmth feeds the soul. Freedom through firelight. We sing, we sway, chains are breaking, night turns to day. Freedom through firelight. Hearts ignite in the glow of the ember, we claim our right. Sunrise slow, it kissed my face. The earth, it hums in sweet embrace. Chains may rattle, but my soul's not bound. Roots dig deep where freedom's found. Freedom through Jah, freedom through Jah. Lift me higher like a shooting star. Freedom through Jah, freedom through Jah. No chains can hold where my spirit's long found. The breeze, it whispers tales of old. like a shooting star. Freedom through Jah, freedom through Jah. No chains can hold where my spirit's gone far. Oh, rivers flow where the heart may roam, through valleys wide and skies unknown. The road is long, but Jah is near. Each step I take, it drowns my feet. Freedom through Jah, freedom through Jah. Lift me higher like a shooting star. Freedom through Jah, freedom through Jah. No chains can hold where my spirit's gone far. The sun it burns, the land so dry. A tree stands tall, reaching for sky. Its roots go deep, they never lie. In the earth where truth won't die. Freedom through roots that hold us tight. Freedom through roots in day and night. We stand, we rise, no end in sight. Freedom through roots, our guiding light. The river flows, it carves its way. Through stone and sand, it cannot stay. Like hearts that yearn and souls that stray, we find the path, come what may. Hold on to what you know. Roots will guide where winds won't blow. Freedom through roots that hold us tight. Freedom through roots in day and night. We stand, we rise, no end in sight. Freedom through roots, our guiding light. No chains can bind the spirit free. Our roots, they whisper history. The struggles fought, the victories. The rhythm lives in you and me. Freedom through roots that hold us tight. Freedom through roots in day and night. We stand, we rise, no end in sight. Freedom through roots, our guiding light. hands to hold, no walls to bind. The rhythm of life, it's all alive. Freedom wind blow, carry me high. Freedom wind sing under the sky. Oh, let it flow, let it spin. Freedom wind, yeah, freedom wind. Freedom wind, freedom mind. Take me where the rivers play, where the lions roam and the children sway. In the land of love, I'll find my place. Freedom wine, your warm embrace. The wind whispers secrets through the trees. A lion roars somewhere across the seas. Mountains hum a tune only the earth can sing. Every breath I take feels like a holy thing. Under just dreaming sky, so wide, so high, where the rivers dance and eagles fly. Just dreaming sky, just dreaming sky. I raise my hands and ask him why. A little child laughs, the world feels right. Stars blink down like candles in the night. The ground beneath my feet hums with ancient lore. Every step I take, I hear it more and more. Is it freedom? Is it love? Or just the hand of Jabba? Under just dreaming sky, so wide, so high, where the rivers dance and the eagles sky. Just dreaming sky, just dreaming sky. I raise my hands and ask him why. I hear the thunder roll like a drummer's beat. Feel the rhythm rise beneath my feet. Raindrops tap like whispers from the sky, telling me to dream until the day I die. the holy flame. Call out the truth, call out his name. Chains break, hearts away. Just fire takes no shame. Feel just fire flow. Feel it rise, feel it glow. Through the earth, through the soul. Just fire makes us whole. Jah whisper softly night and day. Oh, Jah's guiding light, shining so bright. Through the dark, through the fight. Oh, Jah's guiding light, making it right. Burning strong in the endless night. Cannot hide the truth that flows like an ocean tide. Every heartbeat, every step in stride. Jah walks with me, he's by my side. No storm can drown the song we sing. No chain can hold the hope we bring. Oh, Jah's guiding light, shining so bright. Through the dark, through the fight. Oh, Jah land. Almighty wind, carry it high, lift the prayer to the endless sky. Just healing smoke, it fills the air. Take my troubles, leave them bare. Breathe it in, let the spirit flow. Just healing smoke, it makes me whole. The drums they call, the rhythm speaks. Voices rise from the mountain peaks. Under the stars where the truth awoke, I find my peace in just healing smoke. The sun dips low where the palm trees sway. Golden light whispers at the close of day. The waves hum softer tunes so divine. Jazz love flows steady like a sweet red wine. Oh, Jah bless this island land. Keep it safe with your mighty hand. Oh, Jah bless this island sea. Let it cradle us in harmony. Oh, Jah bless this island land. Keep it safe with your mighty hand. Oh, Jah bless this island sea. Let it cradle us in harmony. A mango drops with a quiet sound. Roots dig deep in this sacred ground. The breeze it carries the scent of rain, healing the earth, washing away pain. Oh, Jah bless this island land. Keep it safe with your mighty hand. Oh, Jah bless this island sea. Let it cradle us in harmony. Oh, Jah bless this island land. Keep it safe with your mighty hand. Oh, Jah bless this island sea. Let it cradle us in harmony. The drums of life, they beat so strong. Hear the rhythm, it pulls us along. Jazz melody, it heals our soul, making broken hearts once more whole. Oh, Jah bless this island land. Keep it safe with your mighty hand. Oh, Jah bless this island sea. Let it cradle us in harmony. Oh, Jah bless this island land. Keep it safe with your mighty hand. Oh, Jah bless this island sea. Let it cradle us in harmony. 'Cause sunrise slow like a lover's hand. It paints the sky and warms the land. The birds they sing just sweet demand. Oh, oh, Jaja's morning light flow. It keeps my spirit aglow. Jaja's morning light flow guides me wherever I go. The breeze it whispers soft and kind. It clears the doubt from a troubled mind. Leaves dance like they're keeping time. Oh, the rhythm of the earth, the blessing from my birth. Oh, Jaja's morning light flow. It keeps my spirit aglow. Jaja's morning light flow guides me wherever I go. No chains can bind the soul that's free. Just love's the key eternally. Storm and rain, we'll always sing. Jaja's morning light flow. It keeps my spirit aglow. Oh, Jaja's morning light flow guides me wherever I go. The ground beneath whispers so low. Where do we run? Where can we go? Freedom at dawn, freedom we sing. Rise with the sun, let the bells ring. Oh, freedom at dawn, it's a brand new thing. Freedom at dawn, let your heart take wing. Shadows dance where the fire once burned. Lessons of the past, they've been unlearned. But there's a spark in the east, it glows. The seeds of hope the rebel wind sows. Lift your eyes, feel the fight. Day breaks strong after the night. Freedom at dawn, freedom we sing. Rise with the sun, let the bells ring. Oh, freedom at dawn, it's a brand new thing. Freedom at dawn, let your heart take wing. The mountains hum, they carry the sound. The rivers shout as they tumble down. The chains can't hold when the spirit's free. Dawn is ours, just wait and see. Oh, freedom at dawn, it's a brand new thing. eyes like mine. Chill my mind free, let it go. Feel the rhythm, let it show. Chill my mind free, let it be. Lost in the ocean, set me free. The sun rises high over golden seas. Wind whispers soft through the mango trees. Every breath feels like a melody. Roots in the earth holding on to me. Freedom flow, roots are deep. Rise with the rhythm, let the spirit lead. Freedom flow, roots so strong. Sing the anthem all night long. Drums like a heartbeat, steady and true. Rain kisses earth, painting skies anew. The lion roars while the moonlight shines. Truth in the rhythm, crossing all the lines. Freedom flow, roots are deep. Rise with the rhythm, let the spirit lead. Freedom flow, roots so strong. Sing the anthem all night long. Tell me now, can you feel the sound? Like a river flowing underground. Each note a seed, each beat a tree. This is the music that sets us free.